Now today I'm here to answer the number one question that I get asked and the number one question that I see posted all over social media. And that is, how do you get rich in 2023 and stay rich in 2024? I'm also going to tell you why you will not get rich in 2023 and be broke in 2024. If you're looking for a cheat code, like being able to pick up an Xbox controller and press up, down, circle X square and have money just land in your account, you should go ahead and click off this video. But this is how you can get rich in 2023 and stay rich in 2024. And that is by using the internet and social media as a hybrid pass-through. Now, as you can see with this channel and how I have shown at www.youtube2cash.com, you can use YouTube and Instagram and TikTok and some of these social media platforms to generate income. However, you can also use them as a hybrid pass-through into another business to make more income. Let me give you several examples. On this channel, I talk about mostly real estate and sometimes business credit and personal credit. But I also use this as a pass-through into my real estate business. Since the inception of this channel, which I've only been on YouTube for about a year and 2 or 3 months, I have met 400 buyers that are interested in buying homes in the DC and Maryland area. So although I am making money from YouTube views and from affiliate marketing on YouTube or affiliate links, I am also having those same viewers pass through the YouTube channel and into my real estate business. That includes buyers and sellers. Let me give you another example. Somebody that is a fitness trainer. If you have a very well chiseled physique, you can get on Instagram or TikTok, YouTube, and generate income from the views and the comments and the likes and the affiliate partnerships. And then you can also use the social media platform as a pass-through into your physical business. What social media is a double-edged sword. You can make money from the views and then bring those same viewers into your business outside of YouTube or whatever social media platform that you are currently utilizing. Now, here's why you will not get rich in 2023 and most likely be broke in 2024. There's a guy by the name of George Pitts, and I'm going to read his quote. Most people could increase their income in 3 to 6 months, leveraging what they know and social media. The problem is most people think 3 to 6 months is too long, so they spend years trying to find a way to do it faster. Now, what he said couldn't be anything further from the truth. Here's the honest truth. When I first started this YouTube channel, I posted 90 videos before I actually got paid from the videos themselves. Now, 90 videos, which is 1 per day. So I was on YouTube for 3 months before I started making AdSense revenue and really making a lot of money from affiliate links and affiliate marketing. But here's the play. The majority of people watching this will not commit to posting videos every day or uploading content to Instagram or uploading content to TikTok. Most people, if they don't make any money or if they don't get rich within the first, 4 or 5 days, they give up. And that is one of the reasons why you will not get rich in 2023 and most likely why you will be broke in 2024. But because I consistently put out content, I am able to use this YouTube thing as a pass-through to my physical business. So all in all, most people, 99% of people are lazy and they are not going to consistently do anything. But if you are somebody that is not lazy, you can use social media to consistently post and use social media as a pass-through into a physical business and reach customers a lot faster. I'll give you another example of how I've used this as a pass-through. Somebody that watches this channel is a property manager and they have reached out to me for my construction company to install EV chargers at their location. Like I said, social media can be very powerful if you use it the right way. Don't use it to be entertained, use it to make money.